Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware capabilities. Inspect the cable jacket for Cat5e, Cat6 or higher, and verify your NIC and router report gigabit speeds. Once done, unplug or disable Wi-Fi so you measure only Ethernet performance. Run a quick link test in your OS or router admin to see negotiated speed. If it shows 1000 Mbps, you're on the right track. If it's lower, swap the cable with a known good Cat6 and repeat the link test to immediately rule out a bad cable. Now you tune settings. Open your NIC properties and enforce full duplex and enable flow control if available, because mismatched duplex causes drops and slowdowns. Next, update your NIC drivers and the router or switch firmware to fix performance bugs and improve offloading. If your equipment supports it, enable jumbo frames and set MTU consistently across devices to reduce CPU overhead. However, make sure intermediate devices accept larger frames. Finally, test again with iPerf or a LAN file transfer to measure. Finish by validating real-world throughput. Run iPerf between machines, copy large files to a NAS, and test simultaneous clients to reveal bottlenecks. If throughput remains below expectation, systematically replace components. Start with the patch cable, then the wall jack or patch panel, the switch, and finally the NIC, because isolating one faulty element saves time. If nothing improves, check for CoS limits or ISB modem issues. One key troubleshooting tip: swap only one component at a time so you know which.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.